My name is Jacquelyn Yepa. I am from Albuquerque, New Mexico, and I am Jemez, Pueblo, and Navajo. My work displayed here are done in various mediums. First, we have the mosaic panel, which is called Corn Skater. This is made up of clay tile pieces that I cut and carved by hand. I glazed, fired, and installed every piece as well as made the back panel for the whole thing. This piece captures a moment a skateboarder is doing an ollie with an all black and white color palette as an homage to skater style. The skater has long braids, earrings, and short moccasins to represent people in our native communities who skate. Skateboarding has a lot of physical and mental health benefits, and I wanted to create a piece paying tribute to an activity that has helped countless of native people. This piece is made in slab parts that I cut myself. It includes sensitive drying times for it to maintain its shape and for me to cut out the dragonfly silhouette. It's fired twice. Once is a bisque fire, which means it's the first firing. After the first firing, I paint the glazes on, and it's always 2 coats of glaze. Then it's ready for the second firing, which is the glaze fire. The kiln reaches to about 2,232 degrees Fahrenheit or cone 6. My design is of a dragonfly because I grew up seeing them as a sign of hope, and they've always brought me happiness. It was a tedious design, but I'm glad it came out beautiful. My third piece displayed is called Hajon, which in Navajo means balance or harmony. It is a glass pot with sandblasted designs. This pot is about me and what makes me Hajon or balanced. I included rain clouds and nature patterns from my love for Mother Earth. I put a hogan and a heart representing my love for my culture and my family. This piece was one of my first glass pieces, and I can't wait to experiment with more. My goals are to keep doing murals, whether that's mosaic or painting, to be in more gallery shows, and to stay creating while pushing my boundaries. Thank you for checking out all the amazing artwork. If you would like to see more of my art, please follow me at Grimly Gray on Instagram. Thank you.